Hi Asad, how are you? This is my daily checklist video, and today is the first day of this week. So first of all, I open my email and watch out about their beta team and the channel also, and I open my Google Drive and open Ultimate List and BA Task Management, and I watch on task management. Here you submitted some assigned work that was BioFarm. BRK BioFarm, I done it, and this is set on the channel, so please check over there. And also I said some KG ad for one, and I also do that as well as your instruction also. So then I go to my regular schedule work. Today it was Goldcrest, so I work on that supplier, and today I work on FBA and cannot finish all actually, but I got some product over here and I submitted it at my Ultimate channel. Please check out over here, and tomorrow I will do remaining products. So I also check my NMAX bill, but I can't open that site. So this is my today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.